The biggest challenge about civilization is that you need energy sources, but we don't want to contribute to the climate change. And I think it's doable with biomass. I think biomass can address that important problem.
USU biological engineering professor Foster Agblevor has studied biofuel production for more than a decade, and his current research is focused on biojet and sustainable aviation fuels.
Our goal is to decarbonize the aviation industry, and biomass is a classic low carbon source of fuel because if you run biomass system effectively, what you can have is carbon neutral, or you can even have a carbon negative.
In his lab, Foster and his students have engineered a process to turn biomass, like wood and grasses, into fuels that are functionally no different than the typical petroleum-based ones we have now.
So our approach is to use what we call catalytic pyrolysis, where we use a catalyst to decompose the biomass into the vapors and then condense it into liquids. The liquid is very stable, and so we can process it to give us the aviation fuel and the biojet fuel. The question somebody will ask is that, well, you're going to cut down all the trees and all those kind of things, and aren't you going to create more problems than you are solving? My answer is no. The issue is that you have to do it sustainably.
Currently, the system is designed to take in waste byproducts from the forestry or agricultural industries and use them, meaning it can be adaptable depending on where it's located.
So what we are doing with these technologies is that, okay, these so-called apparent waste, we take them and then develop a new technology which takes advantage of them, and we get better products out of them. But whilst we are doing that, we do not want to create more problems. So our goal is that we are doing it in such a way that we do it in a very sustainable way.